Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to crop in Illustrator. So for example, let's say you wanted to crop an image. Here I have an image. You select the image by left clicking on it, and then you press in the top here, you press crop image. Once you press crop image, you select whatever you want to crop and what you want to include and what you want to delete. Let's say you want that part. Then all you do is, once you're happy, you press apply. And there you go. That's how you have cropped the image. And then let's say you want to crop a vector. This is something that I have created here in Illustrator. So this is a vector. And let's say you wanted to crop that and just use a part of it. Then you can use, for example, I'm going to use a square or a rectangle. Let's say I wanted to use just this part of it. Then I'm gonna use the selection tool. Select whatever the shape that's on top is what is going to crop it. So I choose both of them, and then I go to object and then clipping mask and then make. You see that? Now I've cropped the area which I had the rectangle on. So yeah, that's how you crop in Illustrator. If you have any other questions, write them below and I'll be happy to answer them. Bye bye.